your store. Now let's dive a little deeper into these steps. Starting with step 1, you will want to navigate to the main menu on the Squarespace dashboard. Once you are there, find and click on the plus symbol next to the Pages option. A side menu will appear where you will see an option to add a store. Click there to add a new shop page. Moving on to the next step. After clicking the Store option, you'll be asked to choose a layout for your shop page. Squarespace provides a variety of templates to choose from. Choose the one that's visually appealing and best fits your brand aesthetics. After selecting a layout, it's time to name your shop page. Make sure this name clearly represents your shop to visitors. The third step involves populating the store with your products. You will need to go back to the main menu and locate the Commerce panel. Next, select Products from the menu and then click on Create Product. The Create Product page is where you can add comprehensive details about your product. At the start, select the type of product, whether it's a physical product, a digital product, or a service. Now fill in all the relevant information about your product, including the product name, description, price, and upload any product images. If you have more than one image, Squarespace will automatically create a slideshow for your product details page. In the fourth step, you add product variants if applicable. If you're selling a product that comes in different sizes, colors, or other parameters, this feature will come in handy. You will also have an option to manage inventory, keeping track of your stock and automatically pause selling a product if it goes out of stock. In the fifth step, you organize products using categories and tags. This will help visitors find what they are looking for and also help with your web page's overall SEO. Once you've added all your products, the final step will be to select a plan that best suits your business needs and publish your shop. You've now successfully created a shop on Squarespace. Remember that creating a successful online shop requires ongoing effort. Keep your shop up to date, answer customer questions promptly, and regularly check your inventory. I hope this tutorial has helped you set up your Squarespace store. There are plenty of additional features and tweaks you can make to customize your shop and enhance your customers' experience. We will cover those in our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.